the wonder of the earth. We live in an amazing world, full of mysteries and great natural wealth. But have you ever thought about its origin? The universe formed more than 13.5 billion years ago, when a hot cloud of gas and dust cooled down to form the stars. Our planet was formed more than 4.5 billion years ago, and life began more than 3,600 million years ago. The Earth is truly fascinating and wonderful. Many people, such as the French writer Jules Verne, have imagined what the center of the Earth is like. Today, we know that the Earth is made of a solid inner core of iron and nickel, surrounded by an outer core of viscose elements heated to 7,000 degrees centigrade. On top of this are the lower and upper mantles, made of silicates of heavy elements heated to high temperatures, which generate enough energy to move the tectonic plates that form the lithosphere, which is divided into the oceanic crust and the continental crust, the rocky formation in the upper part of the planet where we live. This makes the dissipation of internal heat possible, along with the existence of liquid water on the surface, an essential element for life. There are at least a dozen plates in the world, 4 of which are in Mexico. Tectonic plates are gigantic rock formations that stay in constant movement, which creates a series of large-scale natural phenomena, such as volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and tsunamis, to name a few. Their study is fundamental for caring for our modern life. For this reason, there are people dedicated to learning more about the origin and formation of our marvelous planet. Geologists, who study the behavior, past, present, and future of natural resources. Just as paleontologists help us understand the evolution of life on our planet. In our country, we have specialists such as the Mexican Geological Survey geologists. The Mexican Geological Survey is an institution that is part of the effort of the Ministry of Economy and the federal government to explore the country's natural riches. These geologists are in charge of detecting risks, using diverse studies, and conducting other forms of scientific research for the development of industries such as mining, which generates value for Mexico and our quality of life. But what do geologists do? Their work is really exciting and fun. As they hike through the countryside, exploring mountains and valleys, they discover minerals and study fossils, as well as the deformations in the Earth's crust. To carry out their activities in the field, geologists use special equipment such as maps, picks, compasses, land vehicles, helicopters, planes, but also high technology, including computers, GPS, mobile maps, and even interactive satellite images from the Mexican Geological Survey to analyze minerals, find underground deposits, study valleys to see if they would be good for agriculture, and identify dangerous zones so that we can avoid living in places that are hazardous to our health and life. Rocks and minerals. In its interior, our country has extraordinary minerals that contain elements such as gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, and magnesium. These are used to produce an infinite number of items that all Mexicans use. Thanks to minerals, there are cars, bicycles, and even the pan your mom uses to cook with. They also help us to make computer chips, televisions, video games, and other devices. Without geological studies, there would be no good highways or buildings. Water would be scarce in cities because we wouldn't have modern dams. Electricity would be very limited without hydroelectric plants. Oil would not be located easily. In the end, we would be exposed to many natural hazards, and our life would be similar to how it was in the past. In Mexico, many industries such as mining generate thousands of jobs that include mine engineers, miners, geologists, and other specialists, creating countless opportunities. Our country produces several tons of minerals each year, especially those called the Magnificent Seven: gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, iron, and coal. For example, in Mexico, we are proud of having the richest silver mine in the world, located in Fresnillo, Zacatecas. In other states, we also have other important mineral zones. With both silver and gold, a wide variety of jewelry, some coins, and pottery are made. Silver is still used to make coverings and to process the film that we see when we go to the movies. Another one of the minerals that has infinite uses is copper. It is used to make pipes and electrical connections, as it is an excellent conductor. As well, it is used to make some electronic appliance components, vessels, communication systems, and the letters used in printing presses. Mexico has one of the largest copper deposits in the whole world, located in the city of Cananea, Sonora. All of this is possible thanks to the efforts on the part of geologists and the government support in their research. Geology is a wonderful opportunity for the future, as the explorations and exploitation of natural resources in our country require many geologists to research and take care of the planet. In general, geologist studies are the basis for Mexico to grow economically and socially. If you would like to know more about our fascinating planet, you can ask your parents or teachers to take you to a museum such as the Geology Museum at the UNAM or any of our regional offices to learn more about what geologists do. You can also visit our specialized library on Earth Sciences, known as CEDOCIT, or watch our videos at www.sgm.gov.mx. Mexican Geological Survey, creating value for Mexico. General Mining Coordination Department, Ministry of Economy, Federal Government.